Welcome to Mini Orange. Mini Orange provides single sign-on solutions for Drupal, and as we know, that is the best OAuth and OpenID SSO solution available in the market. So we are going to configure Azure AD with Drupal OAuth Client. Go to the Extend and click on the Install New Module button. You can download the module from the link below. You can download Drupal OAuth module from here. Choose the Download as zip file and click on Install button. Click on Enable Newly Added Modules. Search Mini Orange OAuth Client and click on Install button. Click on Configuration and select Drupal OAuth Client Configuration. Select Azure AD here. Enter the app name here. You can edit the login link here. Let's configure Azure AD as OAuth Provider. Login here with Azure AD credentials. Select Azure Active Directory here. Click on Add button and select App Registration. Enter the app name here. Enter redirect URL here. Copy redirect URL from here. Paste redirect URL and click on Register button. Copy client ID. Paste client ID over here. Click on Certificates and Secrets. Click on New Client Secret. Enter name as secret key. And click on Add button. Copy client secret. Paste client secret here. Click on OAuth Test. Copy tenant ID from here. Replace the tenant ID you copied from the Azure AD in both the endpoints. And click on Save Configuration button. Click on Test Configuration button. Check the email attribute and click on Done button. Select Username attribute. And click on Save Configuration button. Let's see how it works. Open a new browser private window and go to your Drupal site. Now, click on the link to initiate the SSO from Drupal. Login here with Azure AD credentials. Congratulations! The user has successfully logged in using SSO. Mini Orange provide best single sign-on solutions. Thanks for watching.